Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set English photo L paper size in Excel. So very easily you can set this paper size in Excel by follow some few steps. So firstly you need to click on here page layout. Now click on size. Now scroll down and you need to find this English photo L. You see here English photo L. So you find, so just click on it to set it. If you not find here, so you can click on here more paper size, and this paper size just select here, find and select here, click on OK. So this way you can set English photo L paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.